Now let us solve this expression. We'll convert this expression into postfix expression. As you can see, there are nested parentheses here. There are nested parentheses here. This is a nested parenthesis here. So we will solve it first using direct method, and then we will use the stack method to solve it. Correct? So let us see this. First, we know that we have to solve the leftmost parenthesis. Therefore, this is the leftmost parenthesis. So I will solve this complete expression, sub expression first, and then go to this expression. Correct? So in this expression, I have, in this parenthesis again, I have two sub parentheses, a plus b and d minus c. So we need to solve the leftmost sub parenthesis first. So I will put the parenthesis as it is, and I will solve a plus b. That would become ab plus, then I will write the whole expression as it is. Right? Whenever you are solving, make sure after solving one sub expression, one operand, operator and operand, or I can say operand 1, operator and operand 2, write the whole expression as it is. Right? I write the whole expression as it is. Only then can you get the correct answer. Otherwise, you might make a mistake. Correct? So after solving this parenthesis, I would like to solve this parenthesis, because we need to solve the whole this parenthesis, right? So I will solve this parenthesis now. I will write ab plus star c minus, I will say here d e minus, right? I can take out the parenthesis because minus has been resolved, right? And I will just put a bracket here, and I say to the power f plus g. Right? Now we can see, I need to solve this parenthesis first. Correct? Now we know we have solved this ab, we have solved this plus, and we have solved this minus. Right? So now we need to check for operators and their precedence. So the operators that are yet to be resolved or to be solved are multiplication and minus, right? Multiplication and minus. So now this becomes our operand 1, and this becomes our operand 2. Correct? I will keep the parenthesis as it is because we are yet to solve minus. We are only solving now multiplication. So I will say ab plus c star. Right? We bring star to the right of operand 2, and I will write minus as it is, de minus to the power f plus g. Correct? We are yet to solve minus. So basically this whole thing becomes our operand 1, and this becomes our operand 2. Correct? Now the only operator that is yet to be resolved is minus. So I can, once I resolve minus, I can take out the parenthesis, right? So I'll take out the parenthesis now, plus c star d e minus, I'll bring minus to the right of d minus, right, to the power f plus g. Right? Now the first parenthesis completely solved. I need to solve this parenthesis now. Here again I say ab plus c star de minus minus to the power f g plus, bring plus to the right of g. Correct? Now we have solved this. Now we need to know that the only operator that is actually yet to be resolved is this operator called exponential. Therefore this whole thing has been resolved. So basically this is operand 1, this is operand 2, and exponential is our operator. Therefore I'll say ab plus c star de minus minus f g plus exponential. ab plus c star de minus minus f g plus exponential is our postfix expression for the above infix expression. Correct? Above infix expression. I hope you have understood this. Therefore we can first resolve this in a direct manner, and then we will go to the implementation using stack. I'll say here input stack, right, and then I'll say here output. Right? The first token for converting infix to postfix, using stack we need to scan all the operators from, or I can say all the tokens from left to right, not operators but tokens, all the tokens from left to right, whether it is an operator or an operand or anything, we need to scan from left to right, right? The first token is the parenthesis, right? Parenthesis, I will push it into the stack, nothing in the output because parenthesis has already been pushed into the stack, it isn't, right? So it is not an operator, but whenever we encounter parenthesis we push it in the stack and we write nothing in the output, right? Another parenthesis comes after this, sub parenthesis, I push this into the stack as well, nothing in the output, right? Now I have a is not an operator, I write a in the output. Now I have plus, right? Plus there is nothing after this sub parenthesis, therefore I will directly push plus into the stack, I will write a. Now I have b is not a operator, I will say ab, correct? And then I will close the parenthesis. So here I will close the parenthesis like this, which means that after once I close the parenthesis, whatever operators are there inside this parenthesis, I can pop it out. So I will just pop out this one, I'll say a b plus, only thing that is left is this parenthesis, open parenthesis, right? Then comes the star operator. So where will I write star? Simply after the open parenthesis, because star is an operator, I need to push it into the stack, right? I'll say a b plus. Then I have C, right? C is not an operator, therefore I will say here A, B plus C, right? Then I have minus. Minus, now this is parenthesis, right? Minus, the incoming operator minus has less precedence than that of the operator in the stack, that is multiplication. Therefore, multiplication operator will be popped out. Therefore, I'll say A, B plus C star, and I need to push minus into the stack, therefore I will say here minus, correct? Then comes the opening parenthesis again, here I will open it again here, right? I'll say a b plus c star. Then comes d here, right? Then comes d, so this remains exactly the same, a b plus c star d. Then comes minus, so basically there is nothing after this parenthesis, therefore I will just push minus here, a b plus c star d, right? And then comes e, so e is not an operator, I will just push it directly into the output, right? Not in the stack, into the output, right? I'll say here e, and then I'll close the parenthesis. So basically I'll just close it here for lack of space. Once I close the parenthesis, I can pop out this minus, so this parenthesis goes away, I'll just write minus here. Can I write it? Yes, I can write it, right? Minus here, correct? And then I have another close bracket, right? So after e I am closing here, right? After closing I am destroying this parenthesis, and I'll pop out minus here, and then I close it again. Once I close it again, it becomes like this. So basically here I can, once I close the parenthesis, I can pop out minus, this goes away, I'll just write minus here, right? Now you have exponential, token, therefore I'll just push my exponential into the stack, and this expression remains the same. And then we have open parenthesis, so here exponential open parenthesis, this remains the same, right? Then I have f, right? F is not an operator, therefore I'll just write f here, right? And then I have plus is an operator, then I'll push plus into the stack, correct? And then I have g is not an operator, therefore I can just write g here. Then I will close the parenthesis. Once I close the parenthesis, I can pop this plus out, right? And then after popping, I can destroy this parenthesis, right? I have evaluated the whole expression here, but the only operator that is left in the stack is exponential, so I can write exponential here. Therefore our postfix expression AB plus C star DE minus minus FG plus exponential is our final answer, which actually perfectly matches the way we have done it using the direct method. So therefore our answer is right. So if you have any doubts regarding this, I have almost covered every situation which could occur while you are converting from Infix to Postfix. But still, if you have any doubts, you can just comment below in the comment section, and I will try to solve your doubts in the comment section. Thank you for watching.